Minesh-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. لإلاف قريش إلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day. My name is Fatima Noor. I study in class 2nd J. Please raise your right hand. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, classmates and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
लपे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्म की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी दूर दुनिया का मेरे दम से अंधेरा हो जाए हर जगह मेरे चमकने से उजाला हो जाए वो मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की जीनत जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की जीनत जिंदगी हो मेरी परवान की सूरत या रब इल्म की शम्म से हो मुझको मोहब्बत या रब मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना दर्दमंदों से ज़हीफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से बचाना मुझको नेक जोड़ा रहा हो उस राह पर चलाना मुझको लपे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी ज़िंदगी शम्म की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी.
Good morning, my respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sadira Fatima. I am studying in 2nd J. Today's thought for the day. Education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. I repeat, education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. Thank you.
My name is Charlie. I am studying in class 2nd J. Today I will tell you about Teachers' Day speech. A very good afternoon to my dear teachers and friends. Today's day is a special day for all of us. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of India. It gives us an opportunity to express our gratitude towards our teachers. They give us knowledge, believe in us and help us achieve our dreams. They focus on improving the personality of all the students and making them a good human being. They also prepare us to face the challenges in our life. Thank you all my teachers for developing our future. Thank you.
सुप्रभात. मेरा नाम शिरजा अहमद है. मैं दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ. आदरणीय हेडमिस्ट्रेस, टीचर्स और मेरी सहेलियों, आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. 5 सितंबर को हम हर साल शिक्षक दिवस बनाते हैं. 5 सितंबर को डॉक्टर एस राधाकृष्णन का जन्म हुआ था. वे भारत के बहुत अच्छे शिक्षक थे. उनके सम्मान में आज हम शिक्षक दिवस बनाते हैं. शिक्षक हमारे जीवन का बहुत महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा होता है. शिक्षक हमारी ज्ञान की पहली सीढ़ी होती है. शिक्षक हमें सही मार्गदर्शन देते हैं और हमारा उज्जवल भविष्य बनाते हैं. इसलिए हमें हमेशा उनका आदर और सम्मान करना चाहिए. आज इस दिवस पर हम सब छात्र हमारे शिक्षकों को मन से धन्यवाद और आदर करते हैं. धन्यवाद.
All, today I would like to thank my class teachers Aisha ma'am, Hindi teacher Ashmita ma'am and games teacher Fatima ma'am with a special gift for learning and with a heart that deeply cares. You add a lot of love to everything you share. You shape the character and make our future bright. Thank you teacher for your hard work and love you bring to the classroom every single day. We pray for your well-being and success and show immense respect today and always. Thank you teacher for being with us during this pandemic. Thank you for your hard work, efforts and contribution towards us. You are such a special teacher that no words can truly tell. Love you all. Thank you.
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, शिक्षक दिवस की बधाइयाँ। आज मैं शिक्षक के बारे में हिंदी में कुछ पंक्तियाँ बोलूँगी। खींचता था आड़ी तेरी लकीरें, खींचता था आड़ी तेरी लकीरें, आपने मुझे कलम चलना सिखाया। ज्ञान का दीप जला मन में, मेरे अज्ञान के तमस को मिटाया। आप हमें पढ़ाते हो, आप हमें समझाते हो, आप हमें पढ़ाते हो, आप हमें समझाते हो। हम बच्चों का भविष्य आप ही तो बनाते हो। आपने बनाया मुझे इस योग्य, आपने बनाया मुझे इस योग्य कि प्राप्त करूं मैं अपना लक्ष्य। दिया है हर समय आपने सहारा, दिया है हर समय आपने सहारा, जब भी लगा मुझे कि मैं हारा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you for all that you have done. Thank you for all you do. So thank you. Thank you.
Teacher, we are still the young ones, but we want to be the young ones for long. Teacher, you define me. When you're beside me, I am strong.
When I was wiser, I will remember you. Promise I will grow stronger at the thought of you.
Thank you for all that you have done. Thank you for all you do. I have been molded by your hands. Thank you. I have been molded by your hands. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day. Hello everyone. Now I will do acting and you all have to guess our teacher's name. Okay? Okay. Good morning everybody. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Fine. Okay. Yesterday we learned noun, yes? Okay. So who will tell what is a noun? Yes, Prisham, it is Hardiyo.
Noun is naming word.
Very good, Prisham. Noun is a naming word, yes? Okay, everybody knows now? Yes. There are two types of noun, common noun and proper noun. Yes? I know? Yes. Today we will learn common noun. Next day we learn proper noun. Okay? So I am scanning the screen. Everybody can see the screen? Okay. Now I will read and you all have to revise. Common noun. A name which does not point out any particular person, place, animal or thing. Okay? Is called common noun. Example: boy, girl, school, flower. Now you can write. Okay, time is over. Take a 5 minutes break and log into playing class. Bye. Now, who is she? She's our A for admiring, Y for youthful, E for encouraging, S for supportive, H for humble, A for ambitious. She's our Aisha ma'am. Lovely Aisha ma'am. Happy Teacher's Day. Bye. Thank you. Now I will do acting and you all have to guess our teacher's name. हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सबने पढ़ाई किया? मैं बोली थी ना आपको। ठीक है। अटेंडेंस प्रीशा,
Yes, ma'am.
अनन्या। Okay. So today we will learn Natkhad Bandha Sabdarth. I am sharing the screen. Can you see the screen? अभी मत लिखना। मैं अभी रीड करूंगी, उसके बाद लिखना। नटखट शरारती आईना शीशा अक्कड़ अक्कड़ सेखी। अभी आप लिख सकते हैं। लिख लिया? ठीक है, क्लास ओवर। सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम, बाय। Who is she? She is our R for responsible, A for advisor, S for sincere, M for merciful, I for innovative, T for trustworthy, A for appreciative. She is our lovely Rasmita ma'am.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to share a thought for my teachers. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. They guide us, they support us, they teach us. Today is the day to thank them and tell Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you. Good morning, teacher and my friends. Today I'm going to say a short story for you all. Once upon a time, in a large forest, there grew many trees like mango, median, teak, oak, etc. Among them, there was one tree which had crooked trunk. It looks very ugly compared to other trees. Other trees used to tease him always. Oh, you're very ugly. Oh no, you're very ugly. Poor tree was very sad and thought, oh God, why did you make me like this? Why am not beautiful like other trees? One day, a woodcutter came to the forest and saw the ugly tree and said, this ugly tree is no use to me. I will cut down the other straight trees. And he cut down the all straight trees except the ugly tree. On seeing this, the ugly tree said, oh God, my ugliness saved my life. We should not blame God for our troubles. The moral of the story is we should never blame God. God has a reason for everything. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day.
Amazing facts. Ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. I repeat, a ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day.
लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं कि वो खो जाए राह, तो राह रोशन करते वो। कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो। हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो। दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती। हमें भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता। ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें। न था मालूम कि तुम ही तो दोगे पहचान हम सभी को। इसलिए शुक्रिया दिल से तुमको। दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती। हमें भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता। ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। लड़खड़ाते
Hello everyone, let's celebrate Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day. I thank you teacher, I love you teacher, I bless you teacher for everything. I thank you teacher, I love you teacher, I bless you teacher for everything. Teachers Day celebrated on 5th September every year in India. It is the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishna, who was a great president and an excellent teacher. Teacher takes our hand, opens our mind and touches our heart. A good teacher teaches from the heart, not from the book. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day.
It's a great day. You are the greatest teacher I know. So I know you like everything, but you teach us more than enough. You are the best teacher I ever seen. Rainbow has 7 colors, and your teachers teach us everything. And you are a great, great, great teacher in the world. You make us so happy, but make us so beautiful. Make us so teaching. When we grow up, we will do the same things like you do. You are the best teacher in all the world. You can have so many things. I want you to check the card right now. Hello, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
The way you teach, the knowledge you set, the care you take, the life you show, make you the world's best teacher. Sending my love and warmth to you. May you have a memorable Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am.
Good morning, my teachers and my dear friends. My name is Aiza Batul. I am studying 2nd J. Today is
Happy Teachers Day. This day is so much special, so we need to make for teachers the card. So now I will tell my teachers' names: Aisha Sabha ma'am and Rasmita ma'am and Fatima ma'am. Happy Teachers Day. I love my teacher. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. I love you. Happy Teachers Day. Aisha Sabha ma'am, Rasmita ma'am, you are the best teacher in the world. Thank you.
Good morning, my teachers and my dear friends. My name is Maksura Cruz. I study in 2nd J. Happy Teachers Day. I love my teacher. I love you, teacher. You are my teacher. Thank you.
My name is Jarisha. Today is Teachers Day. I love my teacher. Teacher is so sweet and lovely. I love my teacher. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Morning everyone. My name is Rushta. This is for my teacher. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. The best teacher teaches from heart, not from book. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day song. Teacher, see the good inside me. Take my hand and guide me your way. Teacher, when you see me giving up, teach me how to stand up again. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. So thank you. I've been molded by your hand. So thank you. Teacher, take my hand and find me. When you are beside me, I'm strong. When I'm old and wiser, I'll remember you. Promise I'll grow stronger at the thought of you. Thank you for all that.
तू धूप है छन से बिखर, तू है नदियों बेखबर, बह चल कहीं, उड़ चल कहीं, बह चल कहीं, उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां, तेरी तो मंजिल है वही।
ساعي للمسجد العليا مسجد خالع السماء للفلك الله أكبر للفلك والمشدد والدين الله أكبر يا موطني موطني قد عشت فور المسلمين عاش الملك للعالم والوطن. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
जना गण मन अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा राहिल उच्चर गंगा विंध्य निमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चर जर सीतरंगा तब शुभ नामे जाके तब शुभ आशीष माके गा